it's Andrew here for Just for Laughs Trivia every Tuesday night at your Greenbank. I got to tell you folks, I might be looking like a peeping Tom, but these here, these windows, they're specifically so that you can look in and find out what's going on. Because we are at stage 2 with the renovations. And what that means is that for a little while, we're going to be sharing spaces. So if you are a Just for Laughs Trivia player, probably a good idea to book a table if you want to come in, and just let the people know when you're booking that you're here for trivia, because we're sharing it with all of the diners, but that's okay. We'll get along, it's just for a couple of months, and once all of these renovations get fixed up, it's going to be fantastic. So, this week, Just for Laughs Trivia, as always, it's still free, it's up here in the lounge. You can't come up the stairs anymore, you're going to have to come up the ramp, but it starts at 7 o'clock on the dot like it always does. And as always, we like to give you 3 questions in advance so that no one scores 0. So the questions for this week, here we go. Question number 1, which NRL player was involved in the famous bottom poking incident back in 2001? Yeah. Oh, all right. Question number 2, which of the 5 senses is associated with osmophobia? O-S-M-O phobia. Don't know. And finally, of which African nation was Haile Selassie I, the emperor from 1930 to 1974? So there's 3 questions in advance, so you won't score 0. But, you know, it's not about the scoring, it's about having fun. And of course, it's free to play, but you could win $100 and not for scoring. What we do is everyone who comes in gets a ticket. We put all the tickets in a barrel. At the end of the night, we draw it out. You could walk away with $100. You could have scored nothing. I might play instead of hosting, I don't know. But anyway, just remember, if you're coming in, best to ring and book a table. But otherwise, check out all the renovations that are going on. It's really fantastic. I'll see you on Tuesday night.